Oracle Time and Labor, also known as OTL, an introduction. OTL integrates with the Oracle Project Accounting, Payroll, Service Procurement, and Enterprise Asset Management modules. An ERP implementation can include timesheet integration with one of these modules, or multiple modules, or within the one solution, different workers could integrate with different modules. Now, just to outline just a few of the brief key benefits of implementing OTL is the ability to eliminate duplicate data entry practice, ability to decentralize data entry, the provision of an electronic approvals process, data validation at point of timesheet entry, and the ability for one timesheet to be used by multiple modules. The example being I enter 8 hours, and that one entry of 8 hours could be used by payroll for payment, project accounting to drive costing and billing outcomes, and even an EAM costing outcome against a work order. Now, just a couple of sentences about each module and what information it's expecting from the timesheet. Oracle Payroll is typically interested in hours worked. It could be broken into normal hours and overtime hours. There may also be some leave transactions coming through, along with some cost center overrides. Project accounting is concerned with time being booked against a work breakdown structure. In Oracle terms, the work breakdown structure is represented by a project and a task combination. Any time bookings then facilitate project costing and project billing where required. Service procurement is concerned with contractor timesheets, or in other words, contingent worker timesheets. Contingent workers can book to purchase orders, and the entry of the timesheet data and subsequent approval represents an electronic receipt of the service. The calculation of the amount then is reduced from the total or original purchase order amount. EAM, Enterprise Asset Management, is primarily concerned with tracking costs against assets. Time is booked against work orders, and just an example of a work order could be that it represents an inspection or a maintenance routine against an asset. So a work order can represent activity ranging from minutes to days. So typically you get a large volume of work orders over a very short period of time. So that's just a very, very basic introduction. The timesheet is capturing hours against a costing component and then feeding it to whichever modules are being integrated with. There's a lot of ground to cover with an OTL, so I'll be following up with other articles and video demonstrations. They will typically be only a few minutes in length, and we'll cover topics ranging from design concepts, design solutions, design issues, and also a number of configuration options that are available. So I hope you find this introduction useful, and thank you for listening.